Hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back. It's your girl Levion. So in today's video, I'm just doing a quick clean with me. I haven't done one of those in a while. I'll just be doing a really quick refresh in my bedroom and living room and then kitchen. I also am going to be sharing with you just a few items that I did purchase. I wanted to rearrange my kitchen just a little bit, and then I wanted to share with you all my dresser drawer fail. Like, you guys are going to be just as devastated as I am. So yeah, so we're going to get into this video. So Father's Day is coming up, and what better way to gift that favorite dad in your life with some smell good? So Dossier has you covered. Like, I love a good smelling man. Like, I love when my husband just wears like cologne. It just smells like, yes honey, yes. And his favorite actually is the Ambery Saffron, which is inspired by the Baccarat Rouge. I think I'm saying that right. But oh my gosh, this smells so good. He's always getting so many compliments on his smell. This is a perfect gift, as well as the 4G Pink Pepper. So this is inspired by Gucci's Guilty. Smells so good. And I've been rocking this Ambery Vanilla. Like, it just smells really well. Like I told you guys before, like I'm trying to, like see which fragrances kind of like works well with my body chemistry, and I always try to get scents like with vanilla, orange blossom, jasmine, that sort of thing in it. And this smells so good. Definitely give it a try. And so if you're unfamiliar with Dossier, they are a fragrance company that reproduces high-end fragrances from a fraction of the price. So if you are looking to gift your favorite dad a really nice Father's Day gift, go ahead and check out Dossier. I will leave the link below in the description box, as well as a discount code, so you can go ahead and save on some coins too while you're gifting that favorite dad some cologne. Also get yourself something too. Every time I do change my bed linens, I like to run the vacuum over my bed just a little bit. I also like to sprinkle some baking soda like on my mattress, and also sometimes like on the bed as well. Let it sit and then just vacuum it up. It really just leaves a really fresh smell, and also cleans it a little as well. I love using spray weight on all of my mirrored furniture. I really feel like it cleans really well, leaving that streak-free shine. So I wanted to share with y'all like a big mistake. Oh my gosh, like I just want to cry every time I look at my dressers. So y'all know that I did switch out my handles on my dressers. I have mirrored furniture. And when I did my bedroom update, I really didn't want to switch out the dressers because, one, they were in really good condition and I still like them. So I did update them and just change out the handles. And oh my gosh, like I'm about to show y'all. So before, the cracks were on just this side, right? And you can't really like to touch. Now you can. Oh my gosh. So before, like to touch, you couldn't really touch it. Like this one, you can't really feel like the crack on there. This one you can, and that one you can't. But like it's starting to like come all on my dresser. Like my whole dresser is starting to crack. Oh my gosh, like I just want to cry. I regret this. Like I love the handles. I think it really adds like a really nice modern look to the dresser, but it's like destroying the dresser. And I really didn't plan on purchasing another dresser set for a while, honestly. Like I really planned on, if I did replace it, like we'll get new dressers in my bedroom, I was planning on like maybe putting this in a guest room, and I don't have a guest room, so that would be like when I moved. Yeah, and I don't plan on moving anytime soon. So yeah, I'm just so like upset upset with myself. Oh my gosh. And it's really nothing I feel like you can do to fix it. Like, it's nothing. Like, I guess I can take this off, but taking this off and reach, it just wouldn't be no point. Like, it's not even worth it. So yeah, if y'all have mirrored furniture and you are planning on switching out the handles, I personally suggest, like, girl, just keep the handles that you have. Yeah, don't even do it. It's not even worth it, in my opinion. Learn from my mistake. And like, just keep it. Just keep it the way it is, because you don't want your expensive, and this was expensive, mirrored furniture just crack. So yeah, so whatever. Not whatever, but whatever. I guess there's nothing I can really do about it. So I'm just gonna really go ahead and do some freshening up, and that's it. So let's get the cleaning started. Y'all know your girl loves dressing her bed. I love making my bed feel like just so luxurious and comfortable. Lately I've been slacking though, like everything just been super just simple and plain. So I did decide to put this velvet Chanel stitch quilt back on my bed. You guys have been loving this quilt. Like, this is actually one of my most purchased items on my Like to Know page, and I can see why you guys do love it. Like, it's definitely really comfortable. It definitely holds its shape and look. It still looks really new. I've had it for like almost a year. I will have it linked below again. Also planning on purchasing new bed pillows, so I just placed these throw pillows on just for now. So I want to give a shout out and put the blame on a few of my besties who suggested that I place the console table back underneath the TV. Y'all had suggested that I put the mirror on this wall here. So I actually did a video of me sharing so I actually did a video of the mirror on this side. Hopefully I can, is on this side. So I didn't like the mirror on this side because I felt like it was just like looking like straight into the kitchen, and I didn't really like that. And then too, like, the mirror was just on this wall, like it really wasn't doing anything in my opinion. So I did place it back in on this corner, because I actually had it in this corner like last week. You know, I'm still changing stuff around, like it's ridiculous. I literally moved this entire living room around. I was so tired. I was up until like 2 o'clock in the morning. I had this mirror on this wall. I had the couch along this side. I had the couch on that wall. Like, everything was just switched around. But I kind of like it like this for now. Haha. But I kind of like it like this. I think it really looks nice. So we're going to keep it like this for right now. I have been looking for some pillows. I think I found some, but I'm just nervous to kind of like order them. They are from our house. I don't know how to say it, but I went there to actually look at it. They didn't have the actual color that I wanted, but I did like the actual pillow covers. But yes, I think I am going to pull the trigger and probably order some pillows for the couch. It was like a, what color was it? It was like a forget the colors. It was like a chocolate and I think like a taupe. It wasn't brown, I think. I don't know. But yes, I think I am gonna order that, just to kind of warming up the living room just a little bit. So yeah. look, so I feel like I was kind of like scammed a little bit on the color. So I ordered this little tribal decor piece from Johnson, Maine, and on the picture it definitely looked like it was like a stoned white or whitewash kind of color, and it came like in this really plain, just wooden look. It's okay. I really feel like it does add a little bit of natural element into, you know, the living room, but I just definitely was not expecting it to be that color. Now in my kitchen, I'm just doing just some freshening up after breakfast. I already started the dishwasher and everything, so that's done. I'll be putting the dishes away and just wiping down the countertops. I literally just purchased a new vase and a new candle for the kitchen, and that made me just want to rearrange the whole entire kitchen. Not too much. I really just did like one little corner, and then I just changed out the island. So I will be showing you guys you know, how I just kind of styled that, and I am still loving, you hear me, loving my dishes from Fable. Like, they are really keeping up really well, and I just love the ceramic look and feel of them. Definitely check them out. I'll also have a link below in the description box if you guys are interested. Don't talk about me, all right, but I absolutely just love these utensils. They are just so cute. Originally I did have the black, and then I purchased the gold, and I was going to get rid of the the black, but I just couldn't decide on which one I wanted, so I just kept both of them. I love both of them. And for my countertops, I do a really good wipe down with like a damp cloth, and then I use that Method granite cleaner. I feel like my countertops were looking a little like dull. I think for me, just using the harsh cleaners on them, so I kind of just make sure that I do wash them off and then just kind of wipe them down with the granite cleaner. So here's my little corner, y'all. Like, literally one dig on planter made me just want to like change stuff around. I know I'm not the only one. Like, you ever like buy something new and then you just want to change out the whole look of everything else? Yeah, that's me. But I'm just gonna, you know, just kind of set this little corner up really nice and simple before I move on with my island. So on my island, I am going to place this Lazy Susan. I saw another one in Target, and they had, it was just like this one. I don't think the Lazy Susan though, I think it was just a tray, but it had the gold little wiring around it. It was really cute, but I'm like, I'm not about to buy like a whole another thing, especially if I already have one already. It is a little messed up, but I just kind of hide it underneath with on top of the like planter and everything. I did purchase some little stems that I just showed you. It was $5, and I'm just going to place that inside of my vase. So I also have this candle I also purchased from Target, but I cheated and used it way before I actually filmed the video. And then I just placed this little knot on top of the vase as well, just for a really simple look. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. My eyes are so puffy. Oh my gosh, I already got big eyes, but yeah, puffy. But anyway, I hope that you guys had enjoyed watching. I hope that you got a little bit of cleaning motivation along the way. And if you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments down below. And if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.